Hi, this is Jim with the Wax Shop. I'm here to introduce you to and show you how to use our Deep Reflections liquid carnauba wax. This carnauba polymer wax blend was designed to give you 4 to 6 months protection. It's going to give you the gloss of a high-end carnauba wax, but the protection of a polymer wax. This product is really easy to use. You can use it by hand or with a polisher with a soft foam pad that's centered on your polisher. You need to apply 4 dime-sized drops. Dab the product in different areas on the vehicle. Go on the lowest speed setting. And just spread the product out. You can see how easy it is to get a nice thin, even coat. And this product spreads really far. Once you get to used to using the product, you're able to put dabs of product directly onto the vehicle to be able to continue working. One of the great things about this product is you don't have to wait for it to haze up to remove. You can remove it instantly. But if you do decide to leave it, it'll still come off just as easy. Again, another great thing about this product, it gives you the shine of carnauba, but it gives you the protection of polymer. That's one of the hard things with polymer wax, is getting that soft, warm glow that you do with the carnauba. Thank you for watching this video. Look for more wax shop videos on how to maintain the outside of your vehicle.